Okay, now let's write our first program using Java. So to do that, let's go to REPL website for Java. It seems like the latest one available for REPL for Java is Java 10. By default, the REPL is going to populate this basic Java code with a class main. Under that, it's going to display hello world even before we type anything, which is pretty convenient. And when you click run, it is going to compile the Java code and it is going to display hello world, which is great. And let me just tweak this layout so that this result pane is going to be stacked at the bottom. You can keep this side by side, and for just presentation purpose, I'll keep this at the bottom. And conveniently, this already displayed hello world. So why don't you change this to something else, such as maybe hello Big Bob. And what if we wanna display this based on my input, meaning I wanna accept the value and I type the value, then I like, for example, let's say my name, I like to say my name is James, then it's going to say hello James. If I provide name James Bond, it will say hello James Bond. To do that, we will need to handle the input, and in Java we can use the scanner class to accept the input. And scanner class is in this java.util class. So I'll import scanner, and now I can create a scanner object, new scanner, and the parameter is going to accept the input, so it will be system.in. And also, once you create the scanner object, once you use it, you have to close it. And I wanna accept. So in this case, actually, I have to provide next line. So it is waiting for the input. So let's provide James Bond as a value. And then now it is displaying hello James Bond. What if I want to accept a number, specifically integer, as an input? Then instead of using string, I can use something called a method called next int, which is going to accept the integer as an input. And let's say I want to display bigger if a given integer is bigger than 5. Otherwise, I'll display not bigger. So I'll create a data type of int, and let me name that variable as num. And in Java, you can use the if statement. If num is bigger than 5, you can say system.out print line, and you can say bigger. Otherwise, else, system.out.print line not bigger. So this is our code, and let's run. Now it's waiting for the input. Let me provide, how about 5? If I provide 5, because 5 is not bigger than 5, it will display not bigger. And as expected, I got not bigger. Let me run again. And how about this time I'll provide 10. And in this case, it's supposed to print bigger. Yes, it's expected. It's displaying bigger. Now, let's say I want to display even if the number is even number. Otherwise, I would display odd. So how can you do that? So a number is even if you divide the number by 2 and the remainder is 0, right? For example, if you think about 2, 6, or 2, 4, 6, those numbers are even because, why? Because, for example, if you divide 6 by 2, what is the remainder? The remainder is 0, right? How about the odd numbers, like 3, 5, 7? So let's think about 7. So if you divide 7 by 2, what is the remainder? Remainder is 1, right? Because 2 times 3 is 6. So 7 minus 6 is 1, so remainder is 1, right? And in Java, there is luckily a remainder operator. It's called mod. And the mod symbol is like this. This is the operator for, it's called mod operator. So we can say if num mod 2 is 0, this is even. So we can display, we can say system.printout print line even. Otherwise, we display system.out.print line odd. And let's test out. So this is the whole code. And when you run, it is waiting for the output, the input. So let me provide 5, which should display odd. Yes, it displayed odd. And let me run again. What if I provide 8? Now it's displaying even as expected.